everybody, and welcome back to another video.
You think that's going to be the intro? We are back in England, and this is going to be the first video of many that we're going to do together, although the first video, the second part of the duo, has turned up drunk, so explain yourself.
I'm feeling a bit worse for wear today, guys, but I've not let the team down, Mitch. I'm here. It's 8:20. We're ready to go and get a McDonald's breakfast.
And that is today's video. We're going to be seeing who can eat the most calories.
And eating what we've missed whilst being away.
And eating all the favourite foods that we missed while being away, so let's get ourselves to McDonald's. Oh yeah. Hello? I don't know why I said that.
Me, Spanner and Emily was on about that last night.
Can I get a double sausage and egg McMuffin meal, please? Can I get a sausage bagel, please, on its own? What do you want?
A sausage and egg McMuffin, please.
A sausage and egg McMuffin meal by itself, please.
A meal by itself.
Do you not want a double?
Nah.
Can I get you?
Some fruit, Oasis, please.
And an extra hash brown.
Yeah, there's everything for you.
And then 2 extra hash browns as well, please.
Yeah.
That's everything, thank you.
No, 6 for doing admin, please.
I feel like we made that more difficult than it needed to be, but...
Are you actually going to beat me on calories when you got one single sausage McMuffin?
Babes, I'm setting myself up for the day. I've missed this. I'm having a sausage and egg McMuffin and an extra hash brown. Right, what have you ordered? A lot?
A double sausage and egg, a bagel, and 3 hash browns.
Oh, how am I going to be eating on that?
Not a chance. Hello.
Mitch, why do you keep doing
I don't know. Hello.
Hello?
Hello.
Mitch, you're still doing it. Hello?
Oh, God.
There's going to be time on your hash browns. You're right to park in the second bay and I'll bring it
Oh,
up.
Okay.
you know what that means, don't you? Fresh.
Yeah, but fresh in the word.
Fresh hash browns. Got our little drinks.
Are you for real?
I hope I got that on camera.
Whoop whoop.
Oh, here we go. Got some ketchup. Oh, that sounded terrible.
Look how sick that was.
Mm-mm. Oh, that hash brown is nice.
Don't go mad.
I won't.
Just on the hash brown.
That was a good drizzle.
I'll give you that.
Thank you.
Oh yeah.
I am quite full after that though, I'm not gonna lie.
Pathetic.
No, it's only 8 o'clock in the morning.
8:45.
It's only 8:45 in the morning. Bon appetit.
No, I didn't actually mean to do that, but...
Satisfied? Full? Are you pretty full?
Nah.
What time do you think we'll eat again?
Don't know. Okay, so the first meal has settled down. We're now going on to meal number 2, and we're on our way to KFC, Kentucky Fried Chicken. Boo is woken up. She's not feeling worse for wear at the moment, so hopefully she can catch up on calories, but she's got no chance, and she knows it. So let's go to KFC.
Can I go to KFC with you today?
Can I get a... What's the burger with 2 bits of chicken in it?
Burger with 2 pieces of chicken.
Yeah, is it as like a zinger tower or something?
There's a stacker
Is
in
it a
it.
stacker?
Yeah?
Yeah. Is that as a meal?
Yes, please.
What drink?
Pepsi, please.
Is everything?
No, and...
Boneless banquet.
A bonus banquet box meal, please.
Garden drink.
And
Gravy.
With gravy and a Coke or Pepsi, please.
Yeah.
And then can we get a side of gravy, please?
Yeah.
And just one piece of chicken, please.
One piece of chicken.
Yeah, please.
Everything.
Yes, thank you.
Let's open that one for me.
Hello.
That's £14.50.
Pay my card. Thank you.
She needs drinks as well, yeah.
Okay, so we look very, very dingy. We're literally sat outside Scunny Ground. But
We're here and we're eating. I'd just like to take this opportunity to apologise for the first clip because I think I was possibly still drunk.
possibly, I think you might have been.
Do you want some salt?
These are new chips as well, aren't they? They're not bad.
Yeah. It's literally
Oh
always.
my god. Look at the size of that thing.
Oh my god.
Huge.
I'm excited for what we're going to eat next because I've been dying for it since. I think I've talked about it every day when we was away.
Definitely. Oh, straight down, man.
That gravy is so nice. Honestly. Uh-oh.
That's calories, that.
Your mum will kill you. Your head, or are you just obviously? Oh my god! Obviously, you're gonna out-calorie me.
Now, I absolutely used to hate KFC gravy until I dunked this chicken in the gravy, and oh my god, it's like the best thing ever. I can always eat dessert though.
Yeah.
That goes to the heart, doesn't it?
It goes to the heart, not to the stomach, guys.
A few more chips.
You can do it.
Get that out of my face. Woo! Oh, how do you feel?
I'm actually okay.
Imagine if you like shock twist, like plot twist, you actually did.
I know, imagine.
All this time I thought I was a better eater than you, and you absolutely smashed me.
Let's go get some donuts and have a cup of tea.
I'll have 2 biscuits. I want another biscuit. I think you're supposed to use a grabber.
Where?
Right down there, look.
The ones at the front are really smashed up.
You're smashing it up even more.
Well, that's quite difficult, yeah.
And then I'll just have a,
Original glaze?
I don't know,
I'm having an original glaze.
peanut butter cream Reese's.
Where?
Top.
That.
Yeah,
I don't know what else I want.
Okay, so we have got dessert. We have got teas on deck. And we've got 3 Krispy Kreme donuts, something we have been fancying for ages. Now, when I was eating at KFC, I thought I didn't want to eat any of it. You can start if you want.
Oh, okay.
I didn't think I'd be able to finish any of this, but now it's in front of me and it smells so good. You best know I'm eating all this.
We wanted this for so long when we was away.
Oh my god. This one, Reese's peanut butter. So good.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Death by donut, are you okay?
No, it's definitely my cup of tea. Do you ever have that? You have a cup of tea and it just someone's poisoned it. You made it, actually. Now this is my favourite, and in my opinion, the best crispy donut you can get.
Crispy.
Krispy Kreme, isn't it?
You said this is the best crispy donut you can get. I don't think you're gonna eat all three. What's that? Is that like custard?
Wanna try it?
No.
No.
I'll stick to mine.
No. I can't.
I honestly don't know how people do 10,000 calories because everything I've ate today so far is not even 2,500 calories yet. I can't believe it.
I'm well up there.
Oh, what are you on?
I'm not sure right now. Calories on the screen though, somewhere.
That's clever, innit? You see people do that, but you can see the calories on the screen now. It's a big bite.
You said I wouldn't do it.
No, I didn't think you would, to be honest.
First sweet thing of the day though, innit? It mixes it up.
I'm very full now, though. I'm not gonna lie.
I feel fit.
Hopefully, what time we're gonna eat tonight? Like really late. What time is it now? 1:10. Yes, we've got a good gap between eating. Are you in a sugar coma? There was.
Okay, so Boo is hanging in there with us. Bless her little heart. She's stuck with me today. She hasn't let me down. And the last main meal, before we have more dessert, is Domino's. We've been fancying this for over like 7 months now, and we've finally got it in our reach. So this will take me, if I finish it, way over 5,000.
I'll be just under 4,000.
And then we've got some amazing desserts to go yet too. So let's dig in.
This looks so good. Look at that dip. You literally cannot beat Domino's garlic and herb dip.
And the big one, not the small one.
God, I'm so excited about this.
Just squirt it all over me.
I don't know.
And if you pour your dip on your pizza, you are a pervert.
Why who does that?
I don't know, I see
I'm a
people.
dipper.
Yeah, 100%. I see people drizzling it over the top. It's like, no.
That's so good.
It just works so well with the barbecue.
Oh God.
Just save it.
What? I'm doing alright. How are you doing?
I'm feeling heavy. 7 slices, 1,316. Which brings me to a total of 5,400.
Honestly,
So the video isn't over just yet. We've come to bed and we've got
I'm gonna sneeze.
we've got room for one more thing. Now my mum went to watch a flower show.
Harrogate Flower Show.
Harrogate Flower Show, and she's
She
brought
always brings us back
a big bit of tiffin and
a big
a big bit of brownie.
chunk of brownie.
We're both gonna sit here with Ernie
And our cups of tea.
and a cups of tea, and that is it. That is the end of the calories. Probably say what one of these is about. It's got to be like 400 or 500 calories.
Surely, yeah.
But anyway,
I think I reached about 4,000 calories, maybe.
final scores will be somewhere on the screen somewhere. But whew, this was a struggle.
I would never attempt a 10,000 calorie.
I think we'd struggle.
I can't
Oh,
even make
amazing.
halfway, is it?
I'm gonna try some of them. So, have you got any ideas what we should do for another video? Hit us down below.
That's really nice.
This is gonna be like our little date night, innit, really?
Yeah.
Every Sunday we can make a video.
Sunday's gonna be our day. Shall I try the brownie? Do you want to try some?
Thank you so much for watching.
Oh my god, that's delicious.
That's amazing.
Yeah. So soft.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
Oh my god, just there.
He wants a bit of brownie and a cup of tea. Oh, look at him. He's such a good boy, aren't you?
Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Bye.